Hello, Kimera Hashiv and you. It's Misha Joseph agus Hami and Fastlich. Hello, it's Joseph and I'm in Paisley. Hami and Fastlich and you. Today, ha coffee akum and you. Ha coffee akum and you. I have a coffee today. Hami akiri donut ithe ha tinneas and t-siùcair orm. Now hopefully you caught all of that. Let me just say it again. Hami agiri, I want a donut. Donut is the same. Ithe, eat. Ha tinneas and t-siùcair orm. Let me just go through a few of the words here. Hami akiri, hopefully you know, it means I want. Donut, ithe. Now when you say ithe, it's an H with an extra bit. It's not ithe, although some people say it that way. It's kind of an ithe, a bit heavier than an H. Ithe. Ha tinneas. Ha tinneas and t-siùcair orm. Literally, it means I have a sugar ache, but it means I'm diabetic. Ha tinneas and t-siùcair orm. And as you know already in Scottish Gaelic, illnesses come upon you. You don't own them, so you can't say you have the illness like you do in English. The illness is on you. So, ha tinneas and t-siùcair orm. Diabetes is on me. Or in English, I have diabetes. Let me just say the whole thing again. Ha coffee akum anju. Ha coffee akum anju. Hami akiri donut ithe but ha tinneas and t-siùcair orm. I want a donut, or I want to eat a donut. Ithe, hami akiri donut ithe. I want to eat a donut but ha tinneas and t-siùcair orm. But diabetes is on me. I have diabetes. There we are.